Meet the Frigidaire 26-pound compact countertop ice maker, your fast, easy, and space-saving solution for ice anytime. Perfect for parties, kitchens, or anywhere you need ice on demand. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Frigidaire compact countertop ice maker, ice scoop, ice basket, and user manual. Product overview. Cover. Ice shovel board. Ice basket. Water reservoir. Ice shovel and evaporator fingers. Air outlet. Drain plug. Ice scoop. Display panel. Add water indicator. Ice full indicator light. Power indicator light. On and off button. Small size indicator. Large size indicator. Select button. How to use. Place it on a flat surface. Fill the water reservoir up to the max line and press the power button. You can choose small or large ice cubes if your model allows. The first batch of ice is ready in just 6 to 15 minutes and collects in the built-in basket. Maintenance. Start by adding a 50-50 mix of water and white vinegar to the reservoir and running the ice maker for about an hour. This allows the vinegar to circulate through the system, producing vinegar-flavored ice and loosening any buildup inside the machine. Afterward, remove the ice tray and dump out the vinegar ice. Use a toothbrush and rag to wipe down the interior, including metal freezing ports and hard-to-reach plastic areas. Rinse all removable parts, replace them, and run clean water through the machine 2 to 3 times to flush out any remaining vinegar. For best results, run the ice maker continuously and clean it about once a month, or if used occasionally, drain and dry it during storage to prevent mold or buildup. Smart features? Makes ice in 2 different sizes, small and large. The small setting is great for coffee and cocktails, while the large setting is great for sodas and more. Compact and easily portable. Ideal for use in small kitchens and other compact spaces like RVs, boats, dorm rooms, and more. Simply plug in the ice maker. No installation needed. Select your settings using the digital LED control panel and watch as the ice is made through the viewing window. A convenient drain plug allows you to drain and clean your ice maker quickly and safely. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Frigidaire 26-pound compact countertop ice maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Frigidaire compact countertop ice maker. See you in the next one.